Before we begin our research project on natural disasters, today we will first read about natural disasters. We will then look at the main idea and finish by answering some questions to check our understanding. As I begin to read about natural disasters, I am going to highlight information I feel are key ideas. Please follow along as I read. Natural disasters. When something is natural, it comes from nature and is not man-made. A disaster is something that usually causes major problems. So I know that something that's natural is from nature, and a disaster causes major problems. It would be a disaster if a bridge suddenly fell because it was not built properly. Disasters are negative but can be man-made. Natural disasters occur throughout the world, and often people know when they are coming and can prepare for them and be safe. Other disasters may occur without warning. Most people die during a disaster when there is no time to prepare. Though natural disasters may cause many problems, injuries, and sometimes death, they are not to be feared, but being aware of them and properly preparing for them is extremely important. This information here I think is very important. That being aware of them and properly preparing for them is extremely important. In addition, there are natural disasters that can occur more often in one part of the world or country than in other regions. For example, a person living in the middle of the United States would not need to be concerned with a tsunami, but someone living along the coast would be affected. In the middle of the country, a tornado may occur, but often there are fewer of them along the coast. So therefore I know that natural disasters can occur more often in one part of the world or a country than in other regions. The top 10 natural disasters most likely occur throughout the world include blizzards, droughts, earthquakes, floods, heat waves, hurricanes, thunderstorms, tornadoes, tsunamis, and wildfires. Some of the listed disasters may occur simultaneously, such as a hurricane and thunderstorm causing massive flooding, or possibly a tsunami or a heat wave coupled with wildfires. Other natural disasters include landslides and avalanches, which can be caused by earthquakes, heavy rain or snow, or other disasters. Snow or mud can be released from the side of a mountain or hillside, burying the area below. Finally, there are active volcanoes, which are eruptions of a mountaintop, sending out ash clouds, lava, and more, causing damage to a property and the loss of human life. The most common types of natural disasters in the world are floods and storms. All natural disasters cause damage and destruction. I'm going to stop because I think this is important. All natural disasters cause damage and destruction, and often one or more people die due to the effects of the natural disaster. Many of the disasters can be predicted ahead of time with some warnings, giving people time to prepare and move to safety. As I'm looking at this conclusion paragraph in my reading, I know that often the conclusion will summarize what the entire text was about and will include the main points. As you can see, most of this paragraph here, most of this section is highlighted because this is my closing paragraph, which is important. Now that I've read the text, now I'm going to look through the multiple choice questions. I'm going to look for those key words in the questions and look at my highlighted information. Which of the following natural disasters are most likely to occur simultaneously? Simultaneously, I know means at the same time, so I'm going to go back to that text and look for that key word. Which of the following may occur during a severe flooding and thunderstorm? And the last one is, which part of the United States would most likely experience a tsunami? I'm going to go back and look for those key words and see if I can find information to help me answer my question. At this time, you can stop the video now and reread the article in the assignment posted on Teams, and then answer the 6 questions below and submit the assignment by the end of the day.